So here's the Limatic machine, the waste tank in the front there. Then you have the button for the steam and the button for the vacuum. And this is the adjuster for the steam, high or low. And this is where the hot water bottle goes. Make sure it fits on the slot there, like that. So that is for the hot water. That's for the hot water, or wet steam as we call it. Just gives you some extra power. And for the dry steam, you would fill it up in this hole here. So dry steam water tank and the wet steam or hot water tank. To turn on, there's a button here. You just press it. The vacuum strength is controlled by this button here. So you have low, and if these two LEDs are on, then it's medium, and if all three LEDs are on, then it's high. So with the hose off, you just press. It's on medium at the moment. These two lights are on. You press and hold. All three are on. It's strong. You press and hold. Medium. If you press and hold. Low vacuum. So medium. High. Okay, to turn on the steam, you just press this button. So that light will flash initially when the boiler is heating up. And then when the boiler is ready, this light will stay on permanently. This red light here, that'll come on if the steam tank is empty, or if this waste tank is full. The red light here will come on. So always check the waste tank first, and if that is not full, then fill up the dry steam tank. So I'm going to switch it on now. There, and you can see it's heating up, and you can sort of hear the boiler hopefully. Okay, so the light is now on permanently, which means that the boiler is fully heated. And if I press this now, there's the steam. And I can adjust the steam with this thing. So come down a bit. Stronger stream. Okay, this is the waste tank. So you open this side here, and you do the same on that side, and pull the lid off. And then you can pull the whole tank out. Okay, and make sure the water level is always up to that marker there. You can see it there, because that will ensure that all dust gets trapped in this water filter. So never vacuum with this thing empty. You must always have water up to that level. You can see there. It's a minimum There's a minimum and a maximum. Okay, and also make sure that you rinse it off nicely and don't let it get too full. If it does get too full, it will beep. This red light will come on, and then you're going to have to empty it out and then fill it to the minimum and put your lid on, and you're ready to go. This is an extraction adapter, so you can steam and extract at the same time, which means your steam and your vac would have to be on at the same time. For vacuum, you just press this button here. And then for steam, just press here. So now you vacuuming and steaming. To turn off the vacuum, press there. So steam and extraction is what you would use for mattresses, chairs, couches, carpets, and dry steam or wet steam mode. To turn to wet steam mode or hot water, you've got to press and hold this button here in the front until the light comes on. So press and hold for about 3 seconds. Okay, now it's on, and now you're going to hear the pump going when I press the trigger, which means water is going to be coming from this tank here. You can hear a different noise. And now there's a lot more moisture, hot water coming out of the nozzle, which gives you more strength. Gives you more strength to get into the material, upholstery and carpets and rugs and that sort of thing. But of course, it uses more water and the material is going to be damper once you're finished. But you can always go in with dry steam afterwards and extract with dry steam, which will take a lot of the moisture out, and then just extract without any steam at all. So to turn off back to dry steam, you click on this button, press, and it's back on dry steam.